Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a frustrating but very common issue: what to do when your hosting or login is not working. Whether you are trying to access your H-panel to manage your domains or check on your hosting services, being locked out can grind your productivity to a halt. In this video, I will walk you through a series of troubleshooting steps that will get you back into your account in no time. Before we dive into the technical details, if this tutorial saves you from the headache of a login error, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Let's get started. The first and most obvious step is, of course, to verify your credentials. Ensure that your email address and password are entered exactly as they should be, keeping an eye out for any stray spaces or incorrect capital letters. If you are still seeing an error, click the Forgot Password link on the hosting or login page. Following the reset instructions sent to your registered email is often the fastest way to resolve an authentication failure. If the credentials are correct and you are still failing to log in, the issue likely lies with your browser data. Browsers often store outdated cache and cookies that conflict with new login attempts. Go into your browser settings, clear your cache and cookies, and then restart the browser completely. This refreshes your connection to the hosting or servers and often clears up those stubborn login errors. Another excellent trick is to try logging in from an incognito or private window. By doing this, you are bypassing your browser extensions and your saved data, which allows you to see if the problem is specific to your primary browser configuration. If you successfully log in via incognito mode, you then know for a fact that you need to reconfigure your browser settings or remove a conflicting extension. If you have tried all these steps and are still unable to log in, you might want to check if you have a VPN enabled, as sometimes security protocols on hosting platforms flag specific IP addresses. Disable any active VPN or proxy software and try again. And finally, if none of these steps work, do not hesitate to contact hosting or support directly through their live chat feature, as they can verify if your account is locked for other security reasons. Those are the best steps to fix your login issues. I hope this guide helps you get back to building your website. If it did, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. See you in the next one.